Well, just as you can see this time, that was the second private plane we've just seen, this time anyway. But this time it was... God's sake. This is why I get so interrupted by my parents these days, literally, especially when I'm talking in video all the time. It's stressing me out. Anyway, so as you can see, that was the second private plane we just seen come over anyway, which as you can see, that was the Robin DR.400-180 we've just seen this time anyway. But this time we've just now seen the Robin DR.400 we've just seen this time anyway. And as you can see, the registration as we've seen today is G-CDBM apparently. So yeah, as you can see, this one has just took off from Pelham Airfield anyway, just around 1:40 PM anyway. So yeah, at least we're getting to see many aircrafts now anyway. At least we're now starting to get to see many of aircrafts now anyway. So yeah. So as you can see, this is where he's been to so far anyway. He's only done one loop just over near True Airfield. He's done one loop anyway. And then there's just done a loop just over between Camborne and Tahiti, I think, anyway. And then just from there, then it did cover a few loops over Stydians Lake anyway. And then just from here this time, he'd then just flown over somewhere just between Honeywick National Trust and just from my place really. So yeah, but as you can see, that flew just around, probably as I say, 17,025 feet anyway. So yeah, he was literally just around 1,700 feet from there anyway. So yeah, and then he just flew over Falmouth Bay as well anyway. They'd just flown over Falmouth anyway. So yeah, which hopefully he should be heading back to his base at Pelham Airfield very soon, hopefully, which hopefully we'll be heading back there very soon anyway. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.